Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification.
Hi students, see in the previous class we were dealing the exercise 6.5. See that we solved the problem from the fourth main. Okay, let us come to the fifth main. See the fifth main, it is given. You will have to, some of the sums are given there, we will have to prove them. Okay, it is given, show that. See the first problem, 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. We will have to prove the left hand side to be the right hand side. Okay, so we will have to prove that. See that I will solve the first one in there. See the first question, it is given 3x plus 7 whole square, okay, minus 84x minus 84x minus 84x. So I have to prove it as 3x minus 7 whole square. 3x minus 7 whole square. Okay. See here it is in the form a plus b whole square. Okay. So I will have to expand that in the form a plus b whole square. As you know, this is the standard identity. It is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. See, if you go for the expansion of this, see here a square is nothing but 3x whole square. Okay, plus 2 into a is nothing but 3x, into b is nothing but 7ab, 2ab, okay, plus b square is nothing but 7 square, okay, minus of 84x, okay. See here 3x whole square, it means it is 9x square, because this square belongs to 3 as well as to the x. That's why it is called the whole square. Okay. See, and plus 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. It is 42x. Okay. Plus 7 square is nothing but 49 minus 84x. Okay. See in this equation, this 42x and minus 84x are the like terms, because both are having the same variable with the same exponent, isn't it? So it is 9x square, 42x plus 42x minus 84x. If you subtract, we will get it as minus 42x, because both are having the different signs, so I have to subtract here. So the bigger number is having the minus sign, that's why I have to put here the minus sign. Okay, it is minus 42x plus 49. Okay, see here 9x square minus 42x plus 49. See, it is in the form a square, okay, minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? See here, a square means I can write 9x square as 3x whole square, okay, minus of 2 into 3x, okay, 2 3 is 6, 6 into 7, it is 42x, okay, that is 2ab, okay, plus I can write this 49 as 7 square, because 7 square is 49, so it is nothing but b square. Okay, so I can write it in the form a minus b whole square. What is the a here? A means 3x here, isn't it? Okay, b means 7, so I can write this expansion in the form a minus b whole square, that is I can write it as 3x minus 7 whole square. Okay, that is what we'll have to prove on the right hand side. Okay, see, it is the first one, and let us go for the, say the second sum is given as the homework. So it is easy, you can do in the same way. It is in the same pattern, you can try at home. Okay, so let me solve that third one. Okay, see the third one is that, see the third sum is given 4 divided by 3m. Okay, third one is that 4 by 3m. Okay, minus 3 divided by 4n. Okay, whole square plus 2mn it is. 2mn. Okay, so I will have to prove it as 16 by 9m square. 16 by 9m square. Okay, plus 9 by 16m square. Okay, I will have to prove it as. Okay, say let me first go for the left hand. Say it is a, it is nothing but b. As you know, it is in the form a minus b whole square. So as you know, a minus b whole square. Okay, if you go for the expansion of this, we will get, write it as a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, as you know, on the standard identity. See here, a means 4 by 3m. A means 4 by 3m whole square, a square minus 2 into, a is nothing but 4 by 3m into, b is nothing but 3 by 4 n it is. Okay, say again, it is plus b square is nothing but 3 by 4n whole square. Okay, see here, it is 4 by 3m whole square. So I can keep it as it is 4 by 3m whole square minus 2 into, okay, here this 3 4 cancel out each other. Okay, here remains 2mn because 2mn plus, so I can write 3 by 4n whole square as it is. Okay, if you look at this, it is in the form, see, it is a square, it is 2mn. Okay, so it is nothing but 2ab plus b square. Again it comes in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, that we solved here. 4 by 3 and 3 by 4, they get cancelled. Okay, so here we got finally as the 4 by 3m whole square minus 2mn plus 3 by 4n whole square it is. Okay, so here on the right hand side I will have to prove 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. Okay, see, if you come to now, it is 4 by 3 is nothing but 4 for the 16 divided by 9 m square it is. Okay, and again plus I will write this as the 9 by 16 n square. Okay, I can write it as the 9 by 16 n square. Okay, so here means the minus 2mn minus 2mn. Okay, I have written this on the at the last. So here I have to write this plus 2mn. Okay, see this plus 2mn I have written here. See, minus 2mn plus 2mn, they cancel out each other. Okay, see here means the 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. That's what we want here. Okay, say this is the third sum. And if you go for the fourth one, look at the fourth one. What is the fourth one given? 4pq plus 3q whole square. See, let me solve the fourth one. Okay. See, in the fifth main only, I will try the fourth one, and that of second and the fifth one will be given as the homework. Okay. See, the fourth one, it is given 4pq plus 3q. 4pq plus 3q whole square. Okay. Minus 4pq. Okay, minus 4pq minus 3q whole square. I will have to prove it as 48pq square. Okay, 48pq square I will have to prove it as. Okay, so if you look at this, it is in the form a square minus b square. See, it is a, it is b. Okay, a square minus b square. Okay, as you know all, the standard identity a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into bracket a minus b. Okay, see what is the, let me write the a plus b. See, here it is 4pq plus 3q. Okay, it is nothing but a. So plus b I will have to write the b. What is the b? 4pq minus 3q. Okay, it is nothing but a plus b. Okay, so I will have to write here a minus b. What is the a means? 4pq plus 3q minus. Okay, b means, as you know all, 4pq minus 3q. Okay, see here, minus of minus we have to change here. Okay, see here, it is a minus of, it is b. Okay, that's the minus. See, 4pq plus 3q plus 4pq minus 3q here. Okay, see here it is minus into minus, it becomes plus. Okay, see here 4pq plus 4pq is nothing but 8pq. Okay, plus 3q minus 3q, they cancel out each other. So here means the 8pq. Okay, see here into bracket. See, plus 4pq minus 4pq, they cancel out each other. How much means here? Here means only 6, 3 plus 3. That is 6q remains. Okay, say 8pq into 6q. 8 6 it is 48. Okay, p is there, q into q, it is nothing but q square. 48 pq square. That is what I want here. Okay, say in that the second and the last one, they are very easy. The second one will follow the first sum, the same pattern, and the fifth one, if you go for the, it is in the same form, a square minus b square. That is, if you go for this using this standard identity, in the fifth one you will get the answer it as the 0. Okay, so in the next class we will go for the sixth one.